Okay. So first of all, you make the I use the red color pencil. Why am I going red color pencil? Just a second. Yeah.
Are you all my personal dream?
So we are making first any old characters. Okay. So I first making like this circle. Okay. And then I create here.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Okay. Here something lying like this. So this is circle, and from circle I can make this division one is the eyes. Okay, always this circle is the eyes. You can extend that part. Okay, this part we can extend. Okay, so I just make here some eyes. Okay, like this. Fine. Here I can draw the nose. Okay. So nose is like this. More. This is my old characters. I make it. Okay. And this is the eye. This eyes line where the ending. That is the area to create. Here. This is the hair. Okay. Here you can create the ear parts. Okay. See like this. The basic shapes first I draw over here. Okay. So you can make the this is the mostest. Okay. You can create that. Okay, so you can create some characters like this. This is called the caricature characters. Okay, beta.
Are you all my personal dream?
So first, this is the basic shapes we do first. Then you can go ahead to the final drawing. The basic shapes. Okay.
Everything you know.
I'm using the brush pen for that.
Are you all my personal dream?
I make some cartoony effects. Okay, this is some character, old man. So you can first do this final drawing, then you can go at the color. Okay, I show you how to make color.